Unique high-mount camera system for your 2007 to 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK, to be used with an aftermarket display. Innovative spare tire hub mounting bracket. Includes a composite, RCA, connection to the video input on the aftermarket monitor, also includes an optional RCA jumper harness to connect to vehicles with the factory display radio. This connection will require dealer activation. OEM validated CCD technology for superior daytime image crispness and nighttime brightness. For aftermarket wheels or larger tires, please refer to the Brandmotion wheel diagram to determine fitment or check out our adjustable version, Brandmotion part number 9002 to 8848. Finally, an answer for Jeep Wrangler owners who want to add the safety and practicality of rear vision. Brandmotion's first-to-market line of Jeep Wrangler rear vision systems gives you the edge in offering backup protection that's not available anywhere else. This kit is designed for vehicles with an aftermarket display, such as an aftermarket navigation radio or other display monitor. It includes a composite, RCA, connection to the video input on the monitor. It also includes an optional RCA jumper harness to connect to vehicles with the factory display radio. Please note that to use this method of connection to the factory display radio, dealer activation is required. Compatible with manual and automatic transmissions. Note, this product features a high-resolution Panasonic OEM camera that does not display parking grid lines. For a version of this system that does include parking grid lines, please see Brandmotion part number 9002 to 8848. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent Jeep Wrangler backup cam. Clarity and color equals OEM on our other vehicles. Able to adjust backup box lines width and length to how close near end of box lines frame is to vehicle rear. Installed on 2018 Jeep JKU with Sony's AVAX 5500 head unit. Works great with Wi-Fi. Recommend buying over the plethora of cheap cams.